good. Okay, Mami, kayo na.
Next in line, our dancing contestant is here and the question will be coming from Direct Bunny.
Hi, Mana. English or Tagalog?
Tagalog na lang po.
Okay, very good. Ano ang gusto mong maging paglaki mo, Mana? At bakit?
Police.
Maging police. Bakit gusto mo maging police?
Ang police po, naghuhuli po sa bad na tao.
Ah, thank you, Mana.
Thank you so much. And then stage from the dancing category.
They could describe every day as one single word. You know, like oh my God. God, is this real?
Dancing contestant number 8. Up next, another contestant for the other talent category. Round of applause for the regional finalists of SM Little Stars 2026. Palakpakan po natin sila.